Hello, my name is Victor Pájaro. I am 34 years old. I am from Cartagena, Colombia. I live in Turbana. I am an electrician and I am studying industrial engineering. My hobby is listening to music. My favorite TV show is The Good Doctor, and my favorite sport is soccer. We are three people and my family. My wife is Viviana Peña. She is 25 years old. She is an environmental engineer. She is from Cartagena. My wife is very nice. She is tall and thin. Her eyes are brown and she has brown hair. My daughter is Sara Pájaro. She is 5 years old. She is kindergarten student. My daughter is very intelligent and funny. I love my daughter. She is pretty. Her hair, her hair is the same as her mother. Her eyes are black. An important support for us is my mother. She is Neris Muñoz. She is 45 years old. She is housewife. She is from Turbana. My mother is very helpful. She is short, her eyes are brown, and she has black hair.